congratulations on 7 years with B&B. Looking back, what are you most proud of accomplishing in your 7 years here?
I would say most proud of when Bob Hamilton, our owner, hired me. He said that he wanted to take the company to the next level. So, really having the ability to have worked at other companies and come in and really look at, taking us to the next level from a standpoint of customer base and also getting the team behind us to really understand where we wanted to go and how to service them. We've really expanded ourselves from we're more distribution friendly today than we've ever have been. And then when you look at some of the different things that we've done from a marketing standpoint with the Todd Talks and with, really posting on LinkedIn, TikTok, and et cetera, I think we've really taken the company to the next level from where it was prior to.
Okay. What was one of the biggest challenges you faced in this role and how did you overcome it?
I would say one of the biggest challenges is, I'm a type A driven personality, and not everybody, kind of welcomes that in with open arms. Sometimes you can rub people the wrong way, and I would say that I'm an acquired taste. So how do you get people on board with that? Well, you got to spend a lot of time getting to know the team. When you call in for different quotes and those type of things. So overcoming that, let's call it personality, that driven personality, I had to really get to know, the inside team, the engineering team, and really, understand where they're coming from, that we're all here together, as one team to help grow the company. So, getting to know the team really helped having them get to know me. And I guess that type A personality wasn't as big of a challenge as it could have been.
How do you approach building relationships with customers in such a technical field?
I would say be a personal resource instead of just a transactional resource. People can call you for price and availability all day long, but if you can really be a resource to help take away some of their challenges and their problems, they're going to call you in that time of need. For example, we just had somebody this past Friday, one of our distributors contacted our manufacturer rep in the Midwest area, needed some belts cut out the door late in the evening for courier pickup. There's no other tier one manufacturer that would have taken care of that, So that's that personal relationship to solve problems that's really allows us to grow. And I would say that that's what's really allowed us to be successful.
And what is your leadership philosophy when it comes to guiding the sales and marketing teams?
I would say I'll separate those two. From a sales perspective, be very active and present in the marketplace. B&B does not have 100% market share. So whether times are good or whether times are slow, there's always opportunities to go out there and grab business. So, there's a lot of opportunities against the tier A brands that we compete against daily. And then from a marketing standpoint, just be very active and present. No idea is off the table. I tell our marketing teams that, hey, just if you got an idea, bring it up. Let's talk about it. Let's get creative. I mean, we've gotten creative with some of the Todd Talks during Christmas and some of the bloopers. And it's just post it. Just be very active and present in the marketplace by posting and making sure people see us from a touch point.
And then, what part that we manufacture here at B&B do you feel represents your personality the best and why?
I would have to say our Powerhouse MX series. And I would say
Okay.
that because our Powerhouse MX series is for rugged and tough, strong applications. And I would say that, anytime you're leading a company from a sales and marketing perspective, you're going to be in some tough situations and you got to have grit to get through it. And I think the Powerhouse MX series is a good, resembles me quite well. And I think it aligns perfectly.
Okay. Thank you, and congratulations again on your 7 years here.
Yeah, time flies when you're having fun. We've had a good run at taking B&B from where it is to where we are today, and it couldn't have taken place without the entire team, the entire organization to get behind it and push it that way. So, thanks for recognizing, Emma. Much
Hmm.
appreciated.